I think one of the easiest and most effective ways of drawing a picture is using Scribble. I mean, let's face it, we can all scribble. Take a black felt tip pen and just scribble all over your sheet of paper like this, and just go right back to the beginning there. Then take a coloured felt tip pen and just draw in, well, anything you like, really. I'm going to do like a crazy zigzag design here. One just up at the top there, I think. And then take a different coloured felt tip pen, and I'm going to colour in one of these blocks here. That's it. And slowly, bit by bit, fill in all the blocks. And I think that's a very effective graphic design. Another way to do a scribble picture is to take a pencil and do a very rough pencil drawing. I'm going to do a pair of scissors here. That's it. And I think I'll do the Art Attack pencil. That's it, just very rough drawing. And then colour it in using a felt tip pen. I'm going to use grey here. Just go all the way down with your scribble. You don't have to be neat, as long as you just keep it to the boundaries of the pencil marks. A bit of blue for the handler thing, that's bright blue. Going all the way around, scribbling. And that one. Again, you don't have to be neat. And for the Art Attack pencil, I think we'll choose red for the tip. And like a fleshy colour there. And come all the way down, again, not being neat. And this is a technique a lot of graphic designers use in advertising. And when the felt tip is dry, the good bit, take a rubber and just rub out all the pencil marks. That is, and then you are left with a very wobbly, shaky scribble picture. Look at that. And with a bit of practice, you can actually do a scribble picture without doing any pencil lines. Just watch this. Let's see. I think I'll take black to start with. Right, there we go. Try it yourself. Get scribbling.
You see, you can use scribbles to make patterns or pictures, and they look great. I've done one. Have a look at this. There you go. Paul Gascoigne. Oh.